Hi friends, welcome to Friend for Maths. In this video we can discuss the division algorithm for polynomials. First we can see how is a division. A division will have a dividend, a divisor, a quotient and a remainder. When dividing this dividend by this divisor, we will get a quotient and will be there a remainder. The remainder can be equal to 0 or not equal to 0. But the divisor must be not equal to 0. Then only a division can be done, isn't it? Okay. This dividend, the divisor, the quotient and the remainder can be some numbers. But here we are going to take everything as some polynomials. The dividend, the divisor, the quotient and the remainder are taking as some polynomials. Okay. First we are going to take a cubic polynomial, that is x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. This is a cubic polynomial with variable x, so we can represent it as some p of x. Okay, and given that one of its 0 is 1. Okay, that is, we know that a cubic polynomial will have at most 3 zeros and there will be corresponding factors. If 1 is the 0 of its of this polynomial, then the factor will be x minus 1, isn't it? And we have to find the other two factors, and thus we have to find the other two zeros of this polynomial. For that we are going to divide this p of x by its factor x minus 1. We can take this x minus 1 as some other polynomial. This is a polynomial with degree 1, isn't it? So this is a linear polynomial and we can take this polynomial as some g of x. Okay, and now this p of x is dividing by this g of x. This g of x is the divisor now here, and we will get some quotient, and that quotient is here x square minus 2x minus 3, and we can represent it as some q of x. Okay, and now this p of x will be equal to the product of this divisor into quotient, that is x minus 1 into x square minus 2x minus 3. Okay, and here the x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial and the x square minus 2x minus 3 is the quotient of this quotient when dividing this polynomial by its factor x minus 1. So we have to find the other two factors, that is, we can factorize this quadratic polynomial to get the factors of this quadratic polynomial. Okay, when factorizing by splitting the middle term of this factor, this polynomial, we will get the two factors x plus 1 and x minus 3. That is, this x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 3. Okay, now this polynomial can be written as x minus 1 into x square minus 2x minus 3 as equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 3. That is, this polynomial is now equal to the product of its three factors. These are the three factors of this cubic polynomial. They are x minus 1 and x plus 1 and x minus 3. Okay, that is, when x minus 1 equal to 0, or when x plus 1 equal to 0, or when x minus 3 equal to 0, the value of this polynomial will be equal to 0. That means when x equal to 1 here, and when x equal to minus 1 here, and when x equal to 3 here, the value of the polynomial will be equal to 0. So the zeros are 1, minus 1 and 3. Okay, so now we are going to do a division. Here we are going to divide a quadratic polynomial 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by a factor, maybe it's a factor or some other polynomial, x plus 2. Okay, both are some polynomials. We can take the dividend as this 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and the divisor here is the x plus 2. To divide two polynomials, first we have to take the term with the highest degree of x. In this polynomial, the term with the highest degree of x is x here, and in this it is 2x square. And now we have to divide this 2x square by this x, and when dividing 2x square by this x, we will get 2x, isn't it? Now we have to multiply this 2x with this x plus 2. When multiplying 2x into x, we will get 2x square, and 2x into 2, we will get 4x. And now subtracting these two polynomials, we will get 2x square minus 2x square is 0, 3x minus 4x is minus x, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Now we have minus x plus 1, and this minus x plus 1 have to divide by this x plus 2. For that, taking the x term with the highest degree, here is minus x, and in this it is x. So minus x is dividing by this x, we will get minus 1. And now multiply this minus 1 with this x plus 2, we will get minus 1 into x, that is minus x, and minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. And now subtract these two polynomials, we will get minus x minus minus x is minus x plus x, that is equal to 0, and 1 minus minus 2, that is 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. And now this remainder has no x terms, that is the degree of this remainder is degree of x of this remainder is 0. Okay, x raised to 0 here, that is the degree of the x term of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. Here the degree of the divisor is 1, and here it is 0. In this stage, when the degree of the remainder is less than that of the degree of the divisor, we can stop the division. And now we have a quotient, a divisor, a remainder, and the dividend is this polynomial. Now from this division, the dividend is equal to the product of the divisor and the quotient plus this remainder, that is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 plus the remainder 3. That is, the dividend is always equal to the divisor into quotient plus the remainder. Okay, we can see another example. Here we are taking the cubic polynomial 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5, and we are going to divide this with another polynomial 1 plus 2x plus x square. This polynomial is not in its standard form, so to divide two polynomials we have to change it as its standard form. That is, its standard form is x square plus 2x plus 1. So we can write it as like this. This 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 is dividing by this x square plus 2x plus 1. Now taking the x term with the highest degree, here it is 3x cube and here it is x square. 3x cube is dividing by this x square, we will get 3x. And now multiply this 3x with this polynomial, that is 3x into x square, we will get 3x cube, and 3x into 2x we will get plus 6x square, and 3x into 1 we will get 3x. And now we are going to subtract this polynomial by this polynomial, that is 3x cube minus 3x cube is 0, and x square minus 6x square is minus 5x square, and 2x minus 3x is minus x, and 5 minus 0 is 5. And now we have minus x square minus x plus 5, and we are going to divide this minus 5x square minus x plus 5 by this x square plus 2x plus 1. And taking the first term with the highest degree of x, here it is minus x square, here it is x square. So dividing this minus 5x square by x square, we will get what? Minus 5. And multiplying this minus 5 with this polynomial, we will get minus 5 into x square, that is minus 5x square, and minus 5 into 2x, that is minus 10x, and minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. And now we are going to multiply this polynomial from this polynomial, that is minus 5x square minus minus 5x square is minus 5x square plus 5x square, that is equal to 0. and minus x minus minus 10x is minus x plus 10x, that is 9x, and 5 minus minus 5 is 5 plus 5, that is 10. Now the degree of this polynomial, the power of the x is 1. Here the power of the degree of the polynomial is 2. That is, the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. In this stage we can stop this division, and now we have a divisor here, a quotient, and the remainder. And what will be the dividend? 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 will be equal to the product of this divisor into quotient plus this remainder. Okay, that is x square plus 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 5 plus the remainder 9x plus 10 is equal to 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5, the cubic polynomial. Okay, that is, when dividing two polynomials, always the dividend will be equal to the divisor into quotient plus the remainder. Okay, this, and the remainder can be equal to 0, or can the degree of the remainder will be less than the degree of the divisor. And this algorithm has some similarity with the Euclid's division algorithm. We have, when dividing two numbers a and b, a dividing by b, there will be a quotient and a remainder. Then there is the relation that a will be equal to bq plus r. Okay, that is, q is the quotient when dividing a by b and r is the remainder when dividing a by b, such that when dividing two polynomials, here we can take it as p of x, and here we can take the divisor as g of x, and we can take the quotient as q of x, and we can take the remainder as r of x. When dividing two polynomials, this g of x must be not equal to 0. Here also the number b, the second number, the divisor must be not equal to 0. Okay, and the p of x will be equal to the g of x into q of x plus r of x, and the r of x can be equal to 0, or the degree of the r of x will be less than the degree of the divisor g of x. That is the division algorithm for polynomials. Okay, next we can take an example to verify the division algorithm. Here we have the cubic polynomial 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5. This is a cubic polynomial and it is not in the standard form. We have to change it as the standard form, that is minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Okay, and here we are going to divide this by a quadratic polynomial minus x square plus x minus 1. Okay, taking the term with the highest degree of x, we have the highest degree of x term. Here it is minus x cube and here it is minus x square, and now we are going to divide this minus x cube by this minus x square. We will get x, and multiplying this x by this polynomial, we will get x into minus x square is minus x cube, and x into x is x square, and x into minus 1 is minus x. And now we are subtracting this polynomial by this polynomial. We will get minus x cube minus minus x cube is 0, and 3x square minus x square is 2x square, and minus 3x minus minus x is minus 3x plus x, that is equal to minus 2x, and 5 minus 0 is 5. And now we are going to divide this 2x square minus 2x plus 5 by this minus x square plus x minus 1. Here we are taking 2x square and dividing it by minus x square. We will get minus 2. And now multiply this minus 2 by this minus x square plus x minus 1. We will get minus 2 into minus x square is 2x square, and minus 2 into x is minus 2x, and minus 2 into 1 minus 1 is 2. Okay, and subtract this polynomial by this polynomial, we will get 2x square minus 2x square is 0, and minus 2x minus minus 2x is minus 2x plus 2x, that is also equal to 0, and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, and now the degree of the this 3 is less than that of the degree of x in this polynomial. Here the degree will be x raised to 0, that is there is no x term, so we can take it as x raised to 0. Okay, the degree is 0. Here the degree is 2, so we can stop at this stage. The division is stopping here, and we will get the quotient, the divisor, and the remainder. And by the division algorithm, we have the dividend is equal to the product of the divisor and the quotient and plus this remainder. So we have to verify that. That is, the dividend is equal to minus x square plus x minus 1, that is the divisor, and into the quotient x minus 2 plus the remainder 3, we will get minus x square plus x square minus x plus 2x square minus 2x plus 2 plus 3. Okay, that is equal to minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, and this is equal to the dividend. Thus we verified the division algorithm that when dividing two polynomials, the dividend will be always equal to the multiple of the divisor and the quotient plus the remainder. Okay, that's all for today. If you like this channel, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.